Our top 10 best stainless steel cookware sets. These are the best stainless steel cookware sets from our narrowed list, updated for 2020. Cooking quality recipes from home requires the best stainless cookware set with the right sets of pots and pans. Generally, stainless steel cookware pan sets have remained the best and most popular among home chefs and kitchen owners. Number 1. Chef's Star Premium Pots and Pan Set, 17-piece stainless steel induction cookware set, oven safe. This set is considered as one of the best pan and induction cookware sets on the market. It sports a sturdy and beautiful design that you will find appealing. Also, this top stainless steel cookware is made from high-quality and durable 18/8 commercial-grade stainless steel that will allow the cookware sets to withstand the hassles associated with regular cooking. Number 2. Analon Nouvelle Copper Stainless Steel Cookware Set. If you want to use what the majority of American home chefs are using, or you're just wondering what is the best stainless steel cookware there is today, and then this top-quality stainless steel cookware set is worth your money. These best stainless steel pans are ideal for your family. Number 3. All-Clad 401488R Stainless Steel Tri-Ply Bonded Dishwasher Safe Cookware Set. These cookware sets make the most voted for by American top home chefs as one of the top 10 stainless steel cookware sets today. And this is because the all-clad sets maintain its history of exemplary performance in the kitchens along with their best stainless steel pots and best stainless pans. Number 4. Magma 10-piece Gourmet Nesting Stainless Steel Cookware Set. These best stainless steel pans are popular among many people. That's why this is also one of the best stainless steel cookware 2019, being endorsed by many. This year was not that different from last year's reviews, as this is still one of the top 10 stainless steel cookware sets in the market. Number 5. Cook's Standard Multiply-Clad Stainless Steel 10-piece Cookware Set. This multiply-clad cookware features aluminum alloy sealed between two layers of 18/10 stainless steel. With the stainless steel cookware for kitchens, you will have excellent food cooking experience. This is the best stainless steel cookware for the money's worth. Number 6. Cook-In Home Stainless Steel Cookware Set. The best stainless cookware sets feature a disc bottom made of aluminum between the stainless steel for durability as well as to allow for the even and quick distribution of heat. Since all 12 pieces weigh only about 13 pounds, one can safely conclude that this best stainless steel pots and pans are lightweight, thus can be easily moved from one point to another. Number 7. Duck's Top 17-piece Stainless Steel Cookware Set. This best stainless steel pots and pans set is trendy, and it has received many positive reviews and ratings from past users. In fact, it's one of the best stainless steel cookware 2019 according to many of the best stainless steel cookware reviews. It features an ergonomic and luxurious design that will add beauty to your. Number 8. Tefal C836SC Ultimate Stainless Steel Copper Bottom Cookware Set. If you want to use what the majority of American home chefs are using and what brand is the best stainless steel cookware, then this best stainless steel cookware set of pots and pans is worth your money. Number 9. Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel Cookware Set. It features a modern design that will appear stylish in your kitchen. This best stainless cookware is made from top-quality materials that will allow this best stainless cookware set to withstand the hassle associated with regular cooking activities. Number 10. Cuisinart 1977 to 2010 Chef's Classic Stainless 10-piece Cookware Set. This Cuisinart 10-piece set of stainless steel cookware includes 2 stainless steel skillet, 2 saucepans with covers, a sauté pan and stock pot both with covers. You can comfortably cook any homemade dish with the sets without having to add any piece of best stainless steel pots and pans if you buy it.